How to develop empathy in workplace. Empathy, it's the bedrock of intimacy and close connection. In its absence, relationships remain emotionally shallow, defined largely by mutual interest or shared activities. Empathy is the ability to experience and relate to the motives, emotions, and experiences of other people. It's your ability to step into someone else's shoes, to be aware of their feelings and understanding their needs. According to Dr. Daniel Goleman, it is one of the key components of EQ or emotional intelligence, and one of that is the most critical for developing and retaining employees in your company. People who score low on empathy have concern only about themselves. When you are disrespectful, interruptive, bullying, making fun of others, or not listening to others, you are just being the opposite of being empathetic. To be empathetic, you have to think beyond yourself and your own concerns. Workplace is a collection of different individuals with different backgrounds, differences, or perspectives. When you are empathetic with each other, you connect better with people, build mutual trust, and work on achieving goals together. You're empathetic when you show deep respect for your coworker. A sign of respect is listening to others and feeling what others feel, and when they express their deep concerns, aspirations, and ideas. When you value others, you pay attention to what they have to say and contribute. You are empathetic when you acknowledge other people's point of views and perspectives. Where there is empathy in workplace, people are given with more priority than just rules and regulations. Empathetic workplace will respect each person's roles within an organization, and nothing will be judged as superior or inferior roles. The general understanding will be that each person is a component of a pieces of a large giant jigsaw puzzle. Conflicts are easily resolved by mutual understanding. There will be better understanding between people from different departments and divisions. You can see them collaborating with each other. There will be healthy debate, and collective decision making is encouraged when everyone's point of view is acknowledged. Empathy is a skill that can be developed. When you develop an ability to begin a conversation with others and asking about their well-being, you are learning to develop empathy. When you listen without judgment and interruptions, you are developing empathy. When you are interested in other people and being interesting to other people, you're also being empathetic. When you're humble and humane, or when you give genuine recognition to other people, you are being empathetic in your workplace. Overall, empathy requires three things: listening, openness, and understanding. Caring for others is a clear sign of empathy. As the saying goes, nobody cares about your leadership if you don't care for your people. Developing an empathetic approach is perhaps the most significant effort you can make towards improving your people's skills. When you understand others, they will probably want to understand you, and this is how you can start to build a cooperation, collaboration, and teamwork.